Yeah. So welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so today I'm here to do bank to P2P arbitrage. You can also call it card to P2P arbitrage. Currently, the rate is down right now. So the profit is now down. Yeah, how we used to make more profits last month, last 2 months. Right now, the profit is down, but still, you'll be making some cool profit. Yeah. So this one is called bank to P2P arbitrage. Yeah. So follow me and watch how I'm about to do it. Yeah. But on the 28th of this month, I'm hosting a crypto arbitrage beginners class. Yeah, and this month on, like you'll be given free AI bots because the class will be basically about the AI bots. And if you want to buy the ticket, it's in the description, the comment section, and in the bio as well. And I'll teach all these things as well. I will teach you bank to P2P arbitrage. I will teach you exchange to exchange arbitrage, but the main focus will be on the arbitrage AI bots. Yeah. So let's get back to business, bro. Yeah. So you can see that over here, if I have a USDT and I want to sell it, I'll be getting 11.40. And if I want to buy USDT, I can buy it for 11.4 or 11.39, right? Yeah. So this how we'll be using our local bank and exchange and a broker, something like that. Yeah. So this is how we're about to do it. So first of all, let me go to my yeah. So I've opened my exchange where I will be buying my USDT using Ghana cedis, right? Yeah. But one thing is, when you want to buy the USDT, we have a lot of ways, but choose the BNB chain, right? BNB chain. And because I'm in Ghana, I've selected Ghana cedis. Yeah. And we have a particular bank that we use to do this arbitrage. It's not every bank that we use to do this arbitrage. We have a particular bank. That's one. If you want me to teach you, I will show you all the banks. And if you also want to use my pay to do it, yeah, but when you're using the local bank, that one, the profit is way higher than mine pay. Yeah, because mine pay, when it comes to mine pay here, you can create your own virtual card and use the virtual card to purchase the USDT, right? Yeah. And we have a way of what doing it, but I will leave my pay link in the description in case you want to what you want to create account and create a card over there. Yeah. So when it comes to transfer like this, you can go to Africa and connect your local Ghana local bank. So that can connect it and use your Ghana cedis to what to purchase anything online. You see, you can see that right now I have 9.52 USD on my card right now. Yeah. So you can use it to what? To purchase your USDT online. But I'll recommend you to use the local bank that I'm talking about. That one, when you're using their virtual card, there's no fee. Yeah, I said it. There is what? There is no fee. There is no fee. Yeah. So if I'm buying 5,000 worth of what USDT, I'll be getting 439.72. 439.72. So before you do any transaction, you have to calculate and say that you are making profit. So I'll come to my OKX here, and I'll go to sell. So because I'm using 5,000, 5,000, 5,000. Let me do with this one. 5,000, right? So if I'm selling this one, I'll be getting 8.41 Ghana cedis as what? As profit. Some will be saying that, oh Charlie, this one day is small. But you have to remember that you have your 5,000 and you have additional 8 point what? 4 Ghana cedis on it. Imagine doing it 10 times, it's what? 80 Ghana cedis. 20 times, it's what? 160 Ghana cedis. I hope you're getting the mass. So don't always think about, oh Charlie, this one day be small. No. Think about how many times you can do it in order to what? Make more money. You see that thing? Think about that. How am I going to what? Do this to make more money? And when you're doing this, you can do it as many as you want. As many as you want. As many as you want. Yeah. So this one is called bank to P2P arbitrage or card to P2P arbitrage. And if you want to connect your MindPay, you want to use MindPay to do it. MindPay, you want to create a virtual card on MindPay to do it. I will show you how to create the virtual card and everything. Yeah, so just chat to me, like, bro, show me how to do the bank to P2P arbitrage. I will charge you and show you everything you need to know, and I'll teach you how to do it, and you make cool cash for yourself. That's how it is. Yeah, but if you want to create my pay account and create your virtual card, the link is in my bio. You can just click on it and create your visual card, and that's cool. Yeah, so if you come here, you click on apply card here, you cannot create your card and you put money on it. I will show you how to put money on it. I think I already have video about that here on my channel. You can check it out, or if you want me to teach you more, I can teach you more like that. Yeah, so this is called bank to P2P arbitrage. And if I want to use something like 8,000 Ghana cedis, some people say that, so hey, why are you using big money? I will use small money to do it. But the thing is, when the 8,000 making 14 Ghana cedis per trade, so times 10 is what? 140 Ghana cedis. Times 20 is what? 280 Ghana cedis. You see, yeah. People say that, why are you using big money? Right now, the rate is very poor. So before you can make more money, you need higher capital in order to what? Make more money. And I think 5,000, 6,000 is very cool for everyone who is very serious to make money online. You see that then? Yeah. Because if I'm using 100 Ghana cedis, 20 Ghana cedis, 30 Ghana cedis, I will not be seeing anything. But when I'm using 2,000, 3,000 Ghana cedis, I'll be making cool profits for myself, and I'll repeat it again. Yeah. So this bank to P2P arbitrage, and when you link up, I will show you. I know that what I'm doing as I busy basara, so yeah, that's it. But when you call me and be like, yo bro, I want you to teach me this thing, I'll get time and teach you everything. Right now it's 12 midnight when you come, but I have to do this video for you all. So thank you for watching me, and please, on the 28th of this month I'm having my class. Yeah, I host this class every month. Yeah, so join this month's class and make money.